Bonjour! Today I'm going to take you to one of my favorite restaurants. It's another French bistrot and it's located in Hiro. Let's go. So this is the main crossing at Hiro station and we are going to go over there in the shopping street. So this is the entrance of the shopping street. We're going to go at the end of it. We are arriving at the end of the shopping street and you can see the entrance of a temple over there. And the restaurant is very close. You go on the left. So the restaurant is very close now, but I also like this store that has lots of imported products. So if you're looking for nice stuff to eat and other products, that's one of the places where you can go. So it's here, it's Restaurant Okada. Voila, and let's see the happy faces. They always welcome me with a big smile. Bonjour! Bonjour! Bien toi?
Bien. C'est le printemps.
C'est vrai? Monsieur Okada.
Enchanté.
Santé!
グラタンっぽくした。
でも今日ジェニーがボルドー。
今日はね。
それは Tokyo's best brioche.
そうだね、それで出せない。
With champagne.
いいね。
Perfect mariage. Squid salad. Santé. 大丈夫。これね。Take the asparagus. Omar risotto and camel confit with some Bistrot candy brought by myself.